inside and give you shelter from the stormy weather. Boy, you would drink and maybe slip into a little bit of something sexy.
Hi, I'm Pina from Fashion Justice. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time stopping by, then welcome to my channel for the very first time. I'm a fashion and beauty blogger, and I'm here to inspire you to be the best version of you possible. I wanted to do this video probably for the last 6 months or so. I purchased this product last summer and never got around to doing it. I'm not really a negative review person. I try not to do that, but this was not the product that and I thought it was when I purchased it and got it. I was so disappointed. So I'm gonna tell you about it because I think you should save your money if it's something that you've seen or are considering purchasing. So the product I'm talking about is these hair bands by PONYO-O. So you can get, they sell them in sets of 2. So there are 2 for about $20. So you have a thicker one and a thinner one. And what these are supposed to do is you're supposed to use them as hair elastics, and they're supposed to give your hair like a lot of volume when you have a ponytail. And so you know how you get that beautiful full sexy ponytail, like it's really thick and voluminous. That's what it says it's supposed to do, but doesn't really do that. Now, as you can see, these are not flexible. They're just round. And what you're supposed to do is put your ponytail like through this, and then you're just supposed to squish this and then just sort of turn it around. I tried wearing the thick one. I put my hair in a ponytail. I went to the gym and it didn't even last on my way walking there, and it was like a 5-minute walk. So it really doesn't hold the hair. Now, maybe if you have super thin hair, but it pulls on your scalp, and it really just makes the ponytail just sort of, you'll find it just comes down and it doesn't stay up. So if you use just a really good hair elastic that doesn't pull your hair when you remove it, I think that's probably a lot better. I also did a video a couple of years ago on how to get a really great ponytail with a lot of volume. So I will put it in the link below. But the trick to that is to just make 2 ponytails. A lot easier than using this contraction, which really doesn't work. They claim to have a revolutionary product, so I can tell you it is not. There's nothing revolutionary about this hairband. And they claim to have a patented technology. I don't really see what this technology is worth because it does not hold the ponytail up. So the one thing though that I will say, and what does work, is this small one, and it only works in one way. And the way I sometimes use it is I just pull this hair back and then just make a high little ponytail up here. And the only reason it works and stays is because it's actually sitting on top of your head. So you take the ponytail like that, see, and then you just, it's kind of odd, but you put it around the ponytail, and again, it's not an elastic, it's not flexible, so it's pretty awkward, but you put it around like that. And then when you put it through, you just flatten this piece out so that the hair sits all through the band like that. And then you just secure the ends, and you turn it just like around. It's pretty easy to do. As you can see, it's not falling off because it's just sitting on top of the head. So it kind of looks something like this. If your hair is really long, but I would tease this here so that it looks a little bit more full maybe. But that's really the only way that this actually works. So this is as far as the ponytail works. So do not purchase it if this is not a look that you want, because it really doesn't work for a high volume ponytail. And especially if you have thick hair or super long hair, it's just not gonna work. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know and give it a thumbs up. And for more fashion and beauty tips, I hope you check out my Instagram account, LawyerPina147, where I post a lot of my daily outfits, as well as Glam by Pina, where you can purchase my Champagne Lips lip balm. If you've been following me, you know all about this fabulous lip balm that I created. Thank you so much for being here this week. I will see you here hopefully next week for more amazing tips and tricks on how to be your best self every single day. Thank you so much for being here. It means the world to me. I will see you here next week. Stay fab.